There are three things you can do right now to keep your energy in alignment as we go through these times of change into high frequency. So right now, because we're going through so much energy and vibration is so high and things are moving so quickly, it's really critical to keep yourself in alignment, meaning you want your energy to be aligned at the highest level. That's going to make your life flow and help you go forward in a positive way. So I'm going to give you three things you can do right now to keep your energy aligned at the highest level to keep you moving forward. The first one, number one, is going to be tied to your feelings and feel your emotions. What I mean by that is we are conditioned, many of us, I know I certainly was for a long time, we are conditioned to think a lot and not feel and block our emotion. You want to be tied into what your emotions are and what you're feeling right now. That's going to be a critical piece of moving your life forward in a positive way. So don't block it. Don't judge your feelings. Don't think they're good or bad. Be tuned in to what you are feeling. That is going to help you because that's going to help you get on the path that is best for you. So number one is going to be feel your emotions. Be tuned into what you're feeling. That's number one. Number two, and this is an oldie but goodie, but it's also something that you want to tie into as what's going on as you're moving forward, which is you want to trust yourself. We always say trust your gut, but trust what you feel. Now, I don't mean what you think. It's really going to be about trusting what you're feeling. You may look at life and say, wow, I feel like I want to do something very different. It could be a career. It could be moving somewhere else. It could be, a relationship that you're in and you're saying this is not working. It could be many different things. Even though you may say right now, it doesn't make sense. And that's what your brain will do. Your brain will jump in, try to block you from feeling your emotions. So don't allow your brain to come in and block you from your emotions, because your emotions are trying to tell you where to go, right? We talk about feel your feelings. This one's going to be trust that and then take the action that is aligned with that feeling. It doesn't mean you have to go crazy right away, but at least start moving. And if you get a feeling, wow, I feel like I want to take a trip, or I feel like I want to move somewhere, or I feel like I want to really explore new opportunities, or I feel like I want to start meeting new people and date different people, whatever that is, follow that emotion. That is going to be important. Number three, your decision making is critical. So make decisions that feel good. You notice that my theme here, feelings, feelings, feelings. Your decisions are critical because they're connected to your higher self and your energy field. When you make decisions that feel good for you, you are telling the universe and your higher self that I'm important, what I do matters, what I want is important, I want this. And you may say, well, I feel selfish, or I feel like I shouldn't do that, or why I don't want to put myself in that situation. That's what you have to do. So every decision that you make has to be in alignment with the feeling that you have. Doesn't mean you never do somebody a favor, pick them up at the airport, whatever it is. I don't mean that. I'm saying when you're doing things and making decisions, make sure that your feelings and your emotions are in that space. Don't just do it because you feel guilty, or you feel you should, or you feel that's what you're supposed to do. Do what feels good. Now, it may be difficult at times because what feels good to you may ruffle feathers for others who maybe want you to do something that you don't want to do. You have to be ready to deal with those feelings and stand up for yourself. That's going to be critical right now. So those are your three to work on right now. Keep yourself in alignment. Don't forget, feel your emotions. That's going to be a biggie. That's where it all begins. When you're feeling your feelings, that opens up the door for everything. That's going to open up the floodgates to keep everything going. Second one, trust that inner voice. And third one, make decisions that are best for you. So be blessed. I'll see you soon.